Hey guys, this is Doug with Fix It. We have a BMW E70 X5 and we have a leaky sunroof, so the water's kind of ingressed up around his corner. So what we're going to actually check is if the drainages are clear. Now if you come up to the top on the sunroof like this and you look in down here, there's a little pinhole just down there. You can just see it. I'll point it out in the video. And that's supposed to drain the water out. So if I fill it up, you should see the water drain out by the driver's side tire in this case, and then on that side by the passenger side tire. So let's try this. So I've got a little water here. So what you should see is water coming out. So it does look like there's a slow drip. Can you see there's a slow drip? Did you see that? So there is a blockage. It's supposed to kind of pour out, but there's a little slow drip. Now let me show it to you on the other side. So it's probably overflowed in heavy rain. Let me show it to you on the other side. So basically, we'll get this door open. So just down here, again, we're going to pour that in. This is what it should look like. You see, it's pouring out. Look at that. You see that? You see that? So that's how it should be flowing. So we do have a blockage on the right side. See, it hasn't flowed out. Look how quickly that all came out, whereas the other one is slow dripping. So we do have a blockage on that side, and we're going to try and clear that using either a little pipe and maybe even a syringe and just blow through it and see if we can clear the dirt. The other thing to look out for is you see on the back, when you lift up the thing, you can see that there's a little outlet here in the back. There's two, there's one on the right and there's one on the left, and this one has water in it, so you can see some of the water drained out this side. And I'll fill this one out properly to check if this one's blocked as well, but we need to clear all of them. Yeah, okay. So this is just how the syringe looks. You see I've put this tube on there, and then I've used the duct tape to try and create a temporary seal, and then on this end I've widened the tube so I can then push it into that hole and get a seal on it, and then just up and down on the syringe to try and move the dirt, and it did the trick. Awesome, yeah? Awesome, brilliant. So just pop it in there and try and get a tight seal with the actual the hole, and then just basically plunge it up and down and see if you can actually clear it. See if you can actually clear it up and down, up and down. What happened is a load of gunk came out, and now it's actually flowing quite freely. So this was the key blockage. Let me put some water in and show you how it looks. And you can actually see the dirt and the gunk that came out, but now it was a very, very slow drip. But now if you look, what will happen, it should just pour out real fast and clear the sunroof area. This is all the dirt that was stuck in there. You can see that now it's starting to come out, and the more it goes in, you see it's starting to flow out, and that's how it should be. It shouldn't be dripping. So in heavy rain, if there's a drip, it may overflow into the actual cabin of the car, and the other side's actually flowing really nicely. So this was a driver's side issue, and that tallies with the leak on the driver's side as well. So we'll go with that as a win for now. Hope you enjoyed watching that. Remember, a little invention here to try and create that seal, and then just plunge this up and down, and that actually moved the dirt and actually got it cleaned. Thanks for watching. Sub the channel, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.